This video is for the Phonak Audeo Marvel hearing aids. If your hearing aid is not working, this is what you can do. The first thing you're going to do is check the battery. So make sure you have a good battery. You'll open it up and change it. Even though you might have put in a new battery, sometimes you can get a bad battery. So what you're going to want to do is change that battery and make sure you have a new one. If you listen to it and it's still not working, it could be plugged with wax. So what you're going to want to do is go to your kit that you got during your fitting and find the little box that looks like this. What you're going to do is you're going to take off this dome part of the hearing aid. So you just kind of pinch it with your fingers and wiggle it off. You have to give it a hard pull. And what you're going to do is you're going to change the little wax guard here. So when you're looking at this circular disc, you'll notice there's a garbage can and then a new one. What you want to do is you're going to get rid of the old one in that garbage can, pull it out, then go down to the bottom where it says number 2, put in the new one. And that's it. What you'll do next is just find that little dome and wiggle that back on. You're going to listen to it and see if it's working. If you've changed the battery and you changed that wax guard and it's still not working, give us a call and we'll figure something out for you and we'll get you in so that we can get that fixed up.